Last time, we built a chain that reacted to one live reading in this building. But ControlBird had already been logging that reading and everything else in the building this whole time. This is the historian, real history, not a live snapshot, and you can query any of it whenever you need to. On the left is every table it's tracking, one per set of fields worth keeping. This one watches zone temperature across the whole building, and it only logs a change, not every tick, so the history stays meaningful instead of noisy. Click it and the query view on the right runs the query on its own, the last day of readings ready to go. Every row is one moment, which zone it's from, what it read, and exactly when. That's a lot of rows to scroll, so click the value column and it sorts. The extreme surface first, without scrolling through everything in between. And the arrow in the header shows which way it points. Say you only care about one zone, not the whole building. Type a filter right into the query bar, name equals zone 2B. Hit run and it reruns against the exact same table, just narrowed to that one zone. No separate view to build, no export first, just one more condition on the same query. The same idea works on the window itself. Open the time range and pick last hour instead of a full day. Hit run again and it's the same zone, same filter, just a tighter slice of it. Every one of these controls, the table, the filter, the window, all work together instead of forcing a whole new query from scratch. One honest note, the historian only ships in ControlBird's cloud tier. It isn't part of the free, self-hosted edition. But nothing you just watched was staged. That's real history sitting in a real query, and it's yours whenever you need it. Next time we flip direction. Instead of what already happened, we go looking for what needs attention right now, monitoring and acting on alarms.